The National Weather Service in Detroit Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Lansing in south-central Michigan until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a band of thunderstorms has been spotted outside the Lansing metropolitan area moving east at 22 miles per hour. Hazard: 80-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Golf ball-sized hail and flash flooding. Source: spotter confirmed. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Lansing, East Lansing, Durand. Precautionary actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Detroit Pontiac has issued a flash flood warning for the city of Lansing in south-central Michigan until 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Wednesday. At 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, law enforcement officials reported flash flooding on most roadways across the city. Locations impacted include I-96, I-69, Capitol Loop. Precautionary actions: turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ingham County Department of Emergency Management, the Lansing Police Department and the Michigan State Police Department. All people in Lansing must shelter in place. A highly unusual and extremely dangerous event is taking place. The falling rain has apparently become acidic to all biological tissue. Reports to 911 dispatch centers indicate that the rain is melting the flesh off of people outside. People exposed to the rain have been reported to be screaming. Due to the nature of this event, you must remain indoors until an all-clear statement has been given. Keep doors and windows closed. Seal all cracks in doors and windows with duct tape or damp towels. Shut off heating and ventilation systems. Retreat to an interior room without windows. Get a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio ready in the event of power outage. This message will repeat. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ingham County Department of Emergency Management and the Michigan Emergency Management Agency. A civil danger warning has been issued for the following areas: Lansing, East Lansing, Durand, Vernon, Also in Perry, authorities confirm that the acidic rain is turning its victims into monstrous creatures. You are advised to barricade all doors and windows, shut off all lights and turn off noise-making devices. Retreat to a second-floor interior room without windows. Ignore all sounds from the outside. Do not attempt to interact with anybody outside your home. Do not attempt to search for missing friends or family. The creatures outside are no longer human. Do not leave your home until an all clear is given by authorities. Get a firearm but only use it as a last resort. Switch to mobile devices for updates on this dangerous situation. This message will repeat. May God help us all.